You are looking at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, which is the budget flagship phone from Samsung. Hello to all, welcome back to the channel. This is Preetham from Techno 747. Watch the video till the end to know whether you should consider buying this phone at this price range or not. So the box here comes in a black matte finish with the S10 Lite branding on it. Inside we can see the gorgeous prism blue S10 Lite, and we have the 25-watt USB-C to C adapter, the USB-C to C cable, and the old school USB earphones. Inside the slim box we have the SIM ejector tool attached, and inside we get some paperwork with a clear soft back case. First things first, let's take a physical tour of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. The front here is a big 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with narrow bezels all around, and the center punch hole camera looks beautiful. It feels pretty nice in hand and it's not too heavy either. On the back of the S10 Lite, you can see the gorgeous prism blue color here, but this is made out of plastic and not glass. But unlike a lot of other smartphones that look cheap, this looks fairly premium and classy. We get to see the rectangular camera cutout, and that's definitely going to be Samsung's design language for the upcoming years. All the buttons, like the power button and the volume rockers of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, are on the right side, like most other Samsung phones. And you get the loudspeaker and the USB-C on the bottom. And yes, there is no headphone jack in this device. The Samsung S10 Lite houses Snapdragon 855 chipset, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Yes, all the flagship grade specs. In fact, this is Samsung's only phone in India to come with Snapdragon 855. The S10 Lite is not actually a light smartphone. This is a true budget flagship from Samsung. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the Galaxy S10 Lite, do let me know in the comment section below. See you again in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video.